Hey everybody, my name is Michael McClintock, and today I would like to teach you how to play Meditation or Meditação. We're going to open up on a B flat 6, moving to an A7 sus, to an A7, back to the B flat 6, then we're going to come up to a D minor 7, to a G7, C minor 7, up to an E flat minor 6, and then D minor 7, G7 flat 13, C minor 7, do an F7 with a flat 13 as well. Now we're going to do all that again. So B flat 6 for 2 measures, A7 sus to A7, B flat 6, 2 measures, D minor 7 to a G7 flat 13, C minor, 2 measures, E flat minor 6, also for 2 measures, D minor 7, G7 flat 13, C minor 7, F7 with a flat 13. And now for the B section, we're going to come up to an E flat major 9 for 2 measures, and then to an E flat minor 6. I like this voicing for that chord. And then we're going to come down, D minor 7, D flat diminished, C minor 7, and to end the B section we have an F7 with a flat 13. And now I consider the end to be the C section, very similar to the A. B flat 6 for 2 measures, A7 sus to A7, back to B flat 6, but this time we're going to go directly to G7 for 2 measures. And now back to C minor 7, up to the E flat minor 6, and now to end the C section we're going to quickly do D minor 7, G7 flat 13, C minor 7, F13, and then I'm going to come up to this E9 sharp 11 chord. And personally, I like to end the whole song on this chord. It's a little suspenseful, but if you wanted a little bit more secure ending, we could end on a B flat 6-9 chord. Nice and slow, it'll sound like this. If you found this video helpful in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving me a like. I really appreciate it.